Hello my dear family. Welcome to our channel. Today we invite you to explore the breathtaking world of modern rustic Mediterranean. Stucco exteriors, often in warm tones or neutral palette like beige or white, terracotta, or ivory dot. Clay roof tiles, traditional curved terracotta roof tiles add a Mediterranean touch dot. Arches and columns, rounded arches for doors, windows, and walkways are common, along with elegant columns dot. Courtyards and patios, central courtyards or expansive patios, sometimes with a water feature like a fountain, create a serene outdoor living space dot. Using natural stone for flooring, walls, or fireplaces, adding a rustic element dot. Exposed wooden beams, reclaimed wood furniture, and wooden ceilings bring warmth and a rustic feel dot. Wrought iron, often seen in stair railings, chandeliers, and light fixtures, adding an artisanal quality. Outdoor living. Lush gardens, featuring Mediterranean plants like olive trees, lavender, and rosemary dot. Outdoor kitchens, complete with stone or brick ovens, perfect for entertaining dot. Pergolas and shaded areas, using wood or vines to create shaded spots for relaxation dot. Infinity pools, often surrounded by natural stone or terracotta tiles, blending with the landscape. Interior design. Open floor plans, combining living, dining, and kitchen areas to create a spacious and airy environment dot. Neutral palette with earthy accents, whites, beiges, and soft browns as the base, accented with deep blues, olive greens, or warm terracotta dot. Texture and pattern, textured walls, patterned tiles, and plush textiles like wool or linen enhance the rustic and Mediterranean vibe dot. Fireplaces, often a focal point, with stone surrounds or intricate tile work. This style is ideal for those who appreciate the rustic charm of the Mediterranean with the comforts and aesthetics of modern living. The result is a home that feels both timeless and contemporary, warm and welcoming, with a strong connection to nature. If you found this video inspiring, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel for more home design content. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting design ideas. Goodbye, and see you next time.